Hello, in this video I will show you how you can use the image to text generation or image analysis in Google Sheets to analyze a big amount of images with the help of AI. So, for example, I have a file of car listing here in Google Sheets, and I want to analyze all these cars to get their details for the listing. And I don't know what the brand of the car, or I don't know. I don't want to go one and write it down and search it. So basically, I'm using AI function for this. I can show you. See, it's loading, and it got me the color of the car, the brand of the car, and the model of the car. So basically, to do so, we need to download ImageAI. It's an extension for Google Sheets. So we go to Google Workspace Marketplace, we write ImageAI, and here is the app. You see this one, ImageAI. So next, we need to install it. And after we install it, you can refresh and you will have ImageAI here. You run it. And after it run, you can say like ImageAI, write the function ImageAI, and analyze any image. What is in the image? And it will give you an answer. We give it the image, and we are getting an answer. So basically, you can analyze everything like this. You can analyze a list of products, some garage sales, or everything else. Just less work for you.